Hi, and welcome to my channel, My Heaven Zero, Retired and Inspired. Thanks for joining me today. Today is another wig review. And I know a while back I said I didn't have anything coming. Well, I decided to make a purchase of a couple of wigs, and I'm excited to dig into this one, Toni Brattin. So this is my first one, and I'm excited to try her on. So first of all, she is a light gray. The number is 335, adorable, in a size regular, light gray. And here she is right here. And inside the box, you get a "Are you ready for the new you" handout. And one of the things she's up on top here, she says, rule number 1, don't take off your wig, and if you already did, put it back on and let me help you. So then she's got some information in here if you're confused with your wig. A lot of times we put our wigs on, and I was like this in the very beginning. You put a wig on and you're like, this does not look right. This does not look normal. But once you get used to it and once you play around with it for a while, it all comes together and you get used to it, and it doesn't feel bad. Because one of the things that if you go out with the wig on, you're feeling, a lot of times if it's your first time, you're feeling like everyone's looking at you. Most of those people, wherever you're going, have no idea who you are, and they've never seen you before, so you don't have to worry. Maybe it's just the 1 or 2 people that you're meeting, but you know, if they know that you're a wig wearer and it doesn't, you know, it shouldn't bother you, because you're just trying to make yourself feel better, and that's what it's all about. This is another card, and this is care instructions and the colors. So that's always nice to have. And it's a nice little card, so you can just keep it right in the box with your wig if that's how you store your wigs, right? All right. Oh, you also get a cap for your head. So there you go. So first of all, I want to say that I'm loving the color that I'm seeing here. It's a mix of it's mostly gray, but then there's a mix of some light browns and maybe some light browns, dark browns, but it's really a pretty color, so that's nice. And then in the front, you have the front for where the bangs are, and it's a real nice soft fabric, so that should feel good up here on your head. And on the top here, it's kind of open, so it seems like it's not super enclosed like some of the ones that you might have seen in the past. It's kind of open, which is really nice. And it does have a little bit extra piece along the center, which would run up the middle of the top of your head. So yeah, the back, of course, whelping. This is, you know, this should be good for what, if you're to keep you from being too hot in the wig, that open like that. And it does have the pieces on the side for making it smaller and tightening up. So there's that on the bottom. Again, the fabric along the bottom here carries on just like the front. It's the same, real nice and soft. So that's nice. And let's see. Yep, we do have earpieces, and the earpieces have a little bit of metal in them, so awesome. So let's open it up and see the inside. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? Look at that. It is really pretty. And I ordered this wig when I seen it because I wanted one that would come to about here. So I'm hoping that that's where it comes. We'll see. Oh my goodness, it's really pretty. It looks so natural and it feels natural. The bangs are kind of wispy and long in the front. I wanted to be able to push them to the side, so we'll see how that works when I put it on. But yeah, on the very top, it doesn't have any parts, or of course you saw that there was no monofilament on the inside, so it kind of has just the thing on the top there. There's no part or anything, but you can the way it's made, you can move it around like so. All right, so let's put this on. So what I have on my head is Velvety Headpiece. I have done a review on this one in the past because they tend to come off my head, and that is because I have a flat head in the back. So I have what I've started doing is I put my ponytail at the very lower part of my neck, so that the band catches and then it doesn't slide up, because that's what happens to me. It slides all the way up, and then when it does that, the back comes off, so then it's just chaos on my head. So right here you can see right there. Hopefully the back of my head looks all right. But I don't know if anyone else, what they do. If you do something different, please note that down below. I would love to know what you do if you've got a flat head like me. But so far that seems to be my best bet. All right, so let's put this on. I do have a little bit of my bangs pulled out to mix in. We'll see if I even need that. So here we go. Okay, I'm pulling back. Notice that I had my ears pulled out because I wanted my ears out right off the bat. I love the color. I really do. Color is neat. And of course I don't have a brush or anything. I don't have a comb or a brush with me right now. Wouldn't you know? So we're gonna just do this with our fingers. She's on pretty good. So right out of the box, what do you think? So let me just try and mess around with her a little bit. It's cute. I love it. I do. I actually have 3 wigs that are gray. This and then I have a couple of pieces. So this is actually my 3rd one, but I think I like this one most of all. Yeah. I really don't have to do all that much with her. So what do you think? Let me turn around for you. There you go. There's the top. And side. So there you go. That is the Toni Brattin, Brattin, from Hair Fabulous is what it's called. I like it. I love how it feels. After all this craziness is over, hopefully I can get outside or get out and wear this in public someplace. I can't wait to wear it. It's beautiful. All right, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I'll see you the next time. Be safe out there and be inspired.